Welcome to Rudy Luther Toyota in Golden Valley. I'm Megan Frost and I'm standing next to the new 2020 Toyota Corolla Hatchback. Last year we had Apple CarPlay and Amazon Alexa, and now this year in 2020 we also have added Android Auto, so we're really excited about that. We also have a two-tone exterior package for the Corolla, which will give you a black roof, and that would look amazing on this one. And also new this year is the SE Nightshade trim level. That's going to give you blacked out exterior touches like the wheels and Toyota emblems. Now this engine is a 2.0 liter dynamic force engine, and it has 169 horsepower. We also have the Toyota Safety Sense, which is going to include your dynamic cruise control, pedestrian detection. The sensors are going to be there in the emblem and up there in the windshield. We have the Mesh Sport front grille here with the LED lighting. Now the trim levels for the Corolla Hatchback include the SE and XSE, and of course the new SE Nightshade trim level. And if you're interested in a manual transmission, that is available in SE and XSE trim levels. So you can ask about that when you come on in. Now here in the interior, because this is the SE, we're gonna have the fabric seats. In the XSE, we will have leather trimmed seats with fabric inserts and also a sportier look with the heated seats as well. Up there on the dash, we have an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment center, and we'll take a look at that when we get inside there. Back here, we have plenty of space for passengers, as well as the ability to fold this seat down. It is a 60-40 split, so lots of versatile cargo space there. Now, just like the front of the Corolla Hatchback, you've got the sporty back end here with the dual exhaust, standard backup camera, and a nice little spoiler up there. We'll pop this open. We have the Corolla all-weather mats back here. With that seat folded down, you kind of get an idea of the versatile space you have. And this is also this cargo cover, which gives you privacy. You can easily remove it here. And we'll put this down. This SE and XSE have the 16-inch alloy wheels. If you're looking at the Nightshade edition, you will get the blacked out features, including the black glossy wheels as well. We also have the blind spot monitoring and smart key system, so you can lock and unlock just by either touching here to lock or opening here to open. And now let's climb inside and take a look at that interior. Here we are inside the SE trim level interior. Now this is the starting trim for the Corolla Hatchback, and you can tell from being inside here, it is very sporty and comfortably equipped. However, if you're looking for the leather trimmed heated seats, you're gonna wanna take a look at the XSE trim level. Up here we have the SOS Safety Connect button that's going to assist you in a collision, or if your vehicle is stolen, it can also be traced, and that's a wonderful feature as well. And that's standard on all of the Corollas. We have an 8-inch touchscreen here. We have the connected services like Wi-Fi Connect. We also have the new this year Android Auto and Apple CarPlay and Amazon Alexa carrying over from 2019. We have the climate zone here and a wonderful spot here for your phones to sit. And I love this little pocket here. And then we have the conveniently placed USB port. We do have the sport drive mode as well as your traction control button here. And you can manually shift this vehicle here or up here on the paddle shifters as well. On the left of the steering wheel, you're gonna see the Bluetooth and audio and voice commands center here. And then on the right side, you do have the two buttons to use the dynamic cruise control with the lane departure alert buttons as well. And then the driver infotainment center here, you have the digital speed reading here, as well as your lane departure alert screen, which is one of my favorites, and your audio, trip information, and the ability to turn on or off your Toyota Safety Sense features. If I've missed anything, or if you have any questions or you'd like to schedule that test drive, call us or click rudyluthertoyota.com.